What's going on, guys? On today's episode of Will It Fit, it's Christmas Eve edition. We just fired up this 1,000 gallon for the first time, and we're going to cook on it. We're going to see if these massive brisket and massive prime rib will actually fit in this big old smoker. So what we have here is a Wagyu brisket that someone sent us, a customer sent us, Joe, to try out today. And we also have this prime rib here. And disclaimer, we've never done a prime rib, so we're kind of winging a little bit. Did a little bit of salt on it last night. Weighed it last night. It was 23.5 pounds. So in order to get it done for our Christmas Eve dinner, I cut it in half, two sections down. Salt, pepper, a little bit of our Gulf Coast seasoning, that base on it. Gonna just see how it comes out. I'm gonna put it around about 250 today on the smoker. Like I said, it's coming up to temperature right now. It's about 7 o'clock, 7:30 in the morning, about 35 degrees outside, so kind of a cool morning. Gonna be a great day though. It's gonna warm up nicely today. And then we'll bring you along today throughout the cook. We're gonna rest this overnight, cut it tomorrow for Christmas lunch. This one will be for Christmas Eve. So let's get it done. Let's do it. Well, I think it's gonna fit. We'll put these this way. Still coming up to temperature. Put the bones out so it looks good. Okay guys, we're back now. It's been a few hours. The prime rib is almost done. We're actually gonna pour it off, do a quick sear to it, let it rest, slice it up for you guys. Forgot to mention earlier, we did use a little bit of the Flat Top Kings, shake that, rub on it. But there she is right now. If you guys wanna come take a look, we're gonna carry over here and throw it on Santa Maria grill, get her seared off. Let's go throw it on Santa Maria. We've had it fired up for a little while. Come on in and see this. Oh yeah. We'll throw about 15 seconds. Oh yeah. Look at that. We're gonna call that good. Messed up the top bark just a little, but. Okay guys, we're back. Let it rest for a few minutes. We're gonna slice into it and pray for the best. Not bad, looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bones off and start slicing it up for dinner. No, never had it, but it is delicious.
Not you, hey.
Oh.